So the question is that MCSE in computer science for full stack web development. So the question is that MC master in computer science for web development. So let me read the question for you. Jimmy, I see that you are an Udacity instructor. I have a friend that is interested in full stack web development. Do you recommend him to an MS in computer science? He did BS in physics, so he don't know much other than fortran and other archaic scientific language, or do you recommend a bootcamp or tutorial based thing like Udacity? So the question is that there's one dude who did his bachelor degree in physics who only know the fortran. Do you really know fortran programming language? There's some job for fortran which pay like 6-figure income. You don't know, fortran is like 70-80 years old programming language. So the question is that first I want to ask you a question. You can't get into a computer science, you can't get into a master of computer science or master in computer science with any another bachelor than the computer science bachelor. If you have a bachelor degree in physics, if they are letting you in such master degree in computer science, then it's not worth it. The answer is simple. It's not worth it. Firstly, it's not worth it. The master degree is only worth it which has a requirement only require the bachelor of computer science. In IT degree you could get, with your IT degree, with your business degree, master in IT, you can get into whatever degree you have, some kind of related field. But if you can get into physics, you have a bachelor undergraduate in physics and then get a master in computer science, I do not give a value to be honest with you. So the real question is that firstly, I'm not a Udacity instructor. I did my Udacity job up to December. Now I'm not affiliate with Udacity anymore. Before, even I was not affiliate with Udacity anymore. Anyways, so the real question is that should you get a master in computer science for full stack web development? My answer is not. Even I'm recommending student to stay away from the undergraduate, from a bachelor in computer science for web development. I have done my video, why you should not get a computer science degree, because it's overhurting. Your web development, you really don't need to understand computer science, to be honest with you. You don't need to understand. Stay away from it. If you don't know computer sciences, building driver, for example, I'm using this mouse, I need to build some kind of driver for this mouse. Stay away from the number one thing I will really recommend. You need to learn from multiple sources. First thing I will recommend you Udacity video. If you can't afford the nano degree, you can just do the you can just complete the project on your own and then just access the video for free. Second thing, I'm going to recommend you like Coursera web design for everybody certificate. Just Google it, web design for everybody, Coursera. And thirdly, I'm going to recommend such book. Get the HTML CSS book. Get this HTML CSS book, to be honest with you. Links will be in description box below. Get the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Can you see JavaScript and then head first JavaScript? Get such, all of these books are in the description box below. Now, number one, recommendation is go to Udacity. If you can pay $200 a month, do the nano degree. You can do the nano degree within 1 month to 2 months. Plus, go to Coursera, do the web design certificate for everybody. And thirdly, buy books, learn on your own. There's no reason not to learn on your own. If you are thinking to get a computer science, you will be learning nothing related to web development. You'll be learning like software management, design pattern, that kind of stuff. So stay away from a master in computer science. That is the answer of the question. It's me, Geek. Bye.